Chapter 5 Python Variables and Operators. Page number 66. First 2 marks. First one, write a short notes on tokens. Second one, what are the different operators that can be used in Python? Third one, what is a literal? Explain the types of literals. 3 marks. First one, write a short notes on arithmetic operator with example. Second one, explain ternary operator with examples. Third one, what are string literals? Explain. 5 marks. First one, describe in detail the procedure scripting mode programming. Second one, discuss in detail about tokens in Python. Chapter 6 Control Structures. Page number 88. 2 marks. First one, write the syntax of if-else statement. Second one, define control structures. Third one, write note on range in loop. 3 marks. First one, write note on if-else structure. Second one, write the syntax of while loop. Third one, list the differences between break and continue statements. 5 marks. First one, write a detailed note on for loop. Second one, write a detailed note on if-else elif statement with suitable example. Chapter 7 Python Functions. Page number 112. 2 marks. First one, what is function? Second one, what are the main advantages of function? Third one, define global scope. 3 marks. First one, write a rules of local variable. Second one, write the basic rules for global keyword in Python. Third one, differentiate ceil and floor function. Fourth one, how recursive function works. 5 marks. First one, explain the scope of variables with an example. Second one, explain the following built-in functions: id, chr, round, type and power. Chapter 8 Strings and String Manipulation. Page number 130. 2 marks. First one, what is string? Second one, do you modify a string in Python? Third question, what is slicing? 3 marks. First one, write a Python program to display the given pattern computer. Second one, write a short note about the following with suitable example. A. Capitalize. B. Swap case. Third question, write a note about count function in Python. 5 marks. First question, explain about strings operators in Python with suitable example.